Good morning, guys. Here you can see that price is showing some bullish movements across the asset classes, whether it's GBPUSD or EURUSD. So today we are trying to decode whether price will continue its bullish movement throughout the day or it will change its direction and then show some bearish moves. Let's find out. Okay. So let's go for Euro first. In Euro, you can see that here we have giant fair value gap on weekly. Okay, this is the weekly fair value gap. So this is a liquidity pool, right? So price net generally will try to tap this one, and we don't have very much red folder news this week, but even after that, as we approaches midweek, like tomorrow or even Thursday, and Thursday is good for reversal. Like throughout the week, it is continuing with a bullish momentum. Okay, and then taps the weekly fair value gap, and after tapping the weekly fair value gap on Thursday, as it is a very good day for reversal, so throughout the week it has shown bullish movements, and then in Thursday it taps the fair value gap on weekly, and then it reverses, right? So that is a possible movement we can expect. And so that is the reason I am right now, I am bullish on euro, I'm bullish on GBP, and I'm very much bearish on dollar index, right? Right now I'm bearish on dollar index. So, and I have my reasons. I will show my reasons. Okay, first go to the dollar index first. Okay, go to the dollar index first. So, dollar index, this is the weekly chart of the dollar index. And the way previous week closed, if you zoom it in, okay, if you zoom it in, you can see that the opening price of 22nd June, like that, the week which started with 22nd June, this candle, the opening price of this candle and this closing price of this candle, the closing price of this candle is below than this candle, right? Even though it didn't close below the wicks, but it closed body to body basis, it closed below it, right? So I was also confused a bit. Okay, I was confused a bit, but after what it did yesterday, I am currently I am bearish on dollar index. Okay, and I'll show the reasons. Okay, so as I said, on weekly it was a bit of confusing because we here also we had this weekly fair value gap, right? Weekly fair value gap. So what to do, right? What to do? So whether price will retraces till this can be order block and all. So price this or not. So let's find out. Okay, what it did yesterday, and that removed my confusion completely. See, what it did yesterday was price formed. Let's change the color. Here price formed a daily fair value gap. Okay, so price was tapping this, and then price just wicked it and closed below it. So price didn't even close inside it, it closed below it. So that simply means the daily PD array which has been formed, the daily bearish PD array which has been formed there, that is completely getting respect from the price action. Okay, so if the daily bearish PD array is getting respect, so it is price is interested in showing bearish movement, right? So that is the reason I am currently bearish on dollar index and bullish on all the foreign asset classes, right? So as you know that if dollar whatever direction dollar moves, all the assets moves in the opposite direction. Dollar is one of the most dominating factor behind movements across the asset classes. Okay, whether it's directly correlated or indirect, like some of the asset classes are directly correlated, like GBP, Euro, USD. These are directly correlated with the dollar index. But all the other asset classes, even if they are not directly correlated, dollar index has a very good amount of influence on all of those asset classes. Okay, so that is the reason I'm bearish on dollar index and bullish on all other things. And this fair value gap is the reason. And also, if you go to 4 hour, listen, go to 4 hours, see. Even when the price was rejecting from this daily fair value gap, how beautiful it has created a 4 hour gap, right? A 4 hour gap. How beautifully it has created this 4 hour gap. So that means price is giving us bearish cues more than bullish ones, and that is the reason currently I am bearish on dollar index and bullish on all the foreigns. Okay. So now let's see. As we said that in euro, we have this weekly fair value gap here. This is a large chunk of liquidity pool. So price have a tendency to gravitate towards this. So how it will reach there? Okay. So see, this is the fair value gap, right? Currently, it is inside a 4 hour fair value gap. But I don't know. Like I am bit of in that favor that even though it is tapping currently a 4 hour fair value gap, it will come a bit lower. Okay, it will come a bit lower. Like this is a gap, and also this is a 4 hour gap. But why am I interested in the lower one? First of all, you can say that yes, premium discount, this and that. So yeah, that is, of course, that is one of the issues, that is one of the main driving factors. But also there is another thing. Okay, see, this is a fair value gap, but if you notice that this this part of the fair value gap, this is a, okay, let's put in a different color as we have weekly on that color. So yeah, this is a BPR on a 4 hour. So BPR is like, if we have to rank uh, the amount of liquidity pools we can have. First is, fair value gap. We have inverse fair value gap. We have BPR, balance price range. So BPR stands top of it. Okay. So BPR, like, it is generally believed that price should tap the BPR, and then it should not even close inside the BPR. But even if it close, that doesn't mean that it's not a good BPR. But yeah, BPR is generally a very high probability PDI. Okay, so as we have BPR right there, so we are generally, if we have to take a bullish trade, if we are looking for a bullish trade, so we are generally inclined towards towards taking the part, like you are anticipating that with this part of the price action, and it is perfectly falling with the premium discount array. So because of that, uh, it has to go towards that. Okay, now let's talk about something else. Okay. Okay, so if we go to 1 hour, okay, we also have this one. See, everything is getting aligned. This one, let's put it in a different color. What color we're gonna have? This color. This is also a good 1 hour breaker. You can consider this as a breaker, even though it's not that significant. We have 4 hour too many PDIs, so even without that we can go. But see, on a 15 minute, we really don't have a low here. So what we're expecting, like this type of price action we're expecting currently. Price comes here, right? Goes up a bit, comes down, and then goes up somewhere here, like this high. First, at least this high should be filled today. Okay, even though it doesn't go here, like, yeah, ultimately the goal of the price to reach here. So yeah, that's what we are expecting today from euro. So let's see what kind of thing we are expecting from GBP, right? We are expecting what kind of thing from GBP. Okay, as you can see that there's a notion on Twitter that CRT traders and this traders, that traders. So CRT traders will say, okay, fine, this is how price is getting closed. This is how price is getting closed. So we are bearish. Not really. Okay. So let's not talk about them. Find out the bias. Okay. So I'm expecting this fair, because this gap is way too big, and I don't really have any reasons to come price here. Price can come here, yes, it can certainly come, but I'm more interested because also there is this, we have this 1 hour uh, liquidity. Okay, so overall I'm expecting that see, what is the ultimate drawn liquidity for GBP? This is the ultimate drawn liquidity for GBP as of right now. This is the ultimate draw on liquidity for the GBP. Why? If you ask why, see, I have also keep marked here. So this is the reason why. Okay, this is the candle closed above it. Yeah, CRT traders will say, oh, this is working as CRT. Yeah, but yeah, like we must have the narrative. So price came here and then closed above it. So we are bullish right now. So bullish and now this is the DOL. So once you have the DOL, okay. So this is the DOL, and see what do you have in Delhi. This, whether you should consider, I generally consider it like weeks or gaps, so that way. And then inside that gaps we have this. Okay, we have all the different colors that should be used. Okay, so this one is there for daily, right? And now weeks or gaps we have considered the concept. And now this is what this part is, you can say it is a breaker. It is a 4 hour breaker. Okay, this is also just a 4 hour breaker. And this is a good part of the zone. From 1 hour, yes, we have the gaps here, and go to 15 minute. We, like, as we have this low here, this low is there. Okay, as we have this low right now, so price may come here and then like this. So I don't know whether price will come this much, like how much right from right now. I mean 40 pips, but I don't know whether price will come this much low. But certainly this zone is tappable, right? This zone is price can tap. This is easily can be tapped right here. So we are overall bullish. Okay, that's it for GBP. Now let's analyze gold, or let's analyze gold. Gold. Okay, we have gold, right? I am trying to find bullish cues. I am not bearish at all. That was a mistake yesterday because I said I was confused on the dollar index. So, what we can find here is that daily we don't find anything significant, but there, here we can see that currently price is taking out this liquidity. Okay, so price is taking out this liquidity, and as of now, like if we say significantly, there is this PD array, but I don't expect price to come here. But if you ask me what is the DOL for gold as of now, I'm not really sure, to be very honest. Like I'm not, I cannot say that very clearly that see price has taken this low. Okay, price has taken out this low too. So we can expect at least that price will tap this high quickly. So this is the long term DOL. But the problem I said was, and you remember the marked one, I said that there is this in WOG. So price will at least go there. So I don't know what will do price after going there, but at least I am looking price to come right here as of now. So I'm also bullish on gold. And let's see about the indices. Okay, let's, oh sorry, indices, right? Let's go. Let's go to indices. Indices, the prices is not good as of now, but still I am very good to find the bullish cues. So here is the bullish cues. You know. Oh, yeah, I posted this trade yesterday, and you know how it turned out. It didn't turn out too good, but yeah, let's not judge based on a single trade. See, this is the move. Like people will see this move and say, "Oh, it is bearish and all." Yeah, it is not bearish, man. Because, see, first of all, price is tapping this PD array. Okay, price is tapping this PD array on 4 hour. We have a gap right here. We have a good gap right here. Okay.
Now, what is the dual? This is the dual, man. This is a good high which should be taken out. You know, like the way price is going up. This like price should take out this thing. Okay. Now, why it is not a good bearish move? Because see, there is no formation of PD array here. So the like in case price tries to reverse, there is nothing to stop. So that is the reason it's not a good bearish move. That's how you judge it. Okay. So yeah, that's sort of what S&P 500, and we are thinking about going long on all the indices. Okay, and also I don't think we have something in BTC so that we can be short. I also think that we are long on BTC too. Yeah, see, we have some cues here. On daily we have nothing. Yeah, we have nothing, but on 4 hour, yeah, we have something. We have this gap. Okay, we have this gap, and not really significant gap, but it's a good gap. And in hourly it's a very big gap, so expect it to fill a bit more than whatever is currently getting filled. And then on a 15-minute scale, I am not finding anything, but currently we are looking for price to reach here, or at least see as of now I am like, because see the higher time frame cycles are on bearish on crypto. Okay, so the bullish moves will be short and short lived, so we need to prepare for that, like this something like probably till this something. Let's like I'm expecting only this type of move in crypto. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you have found it insightful, and I hope it's helping you trade throughout the day. So that's it. Thank you, guys.